What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. I am still at the Kawasaki demo event here. It's called Let the Good Times Roll event. And I am actually on my way to kiss a little butt.
Is that your bike?
Oh, yeah. That's my Triumph. Anyways, I got caught up with a fan, I guess. But I'm really in here to kiss a little ass. I'm here to kiss a little ass and maybe ride a nice Harley. You're leaving now? Oh, I thought you were going to be here till 4 o'clock. Dang it. I was hoping to sneak a ride, but that's all right. Are you sure? I mean, I can always take it next time. Oh, yes, this is going to be great. Yep. I'll be back. Yeah, so Cory from Rock On Power Sports, you guys probably recognize her from my Pan Am video, my Harley demo video, my Ninja 1000 video. Yeah, we've seen her quite a bit, but she's got this beautiful, beautiful Road King in this snake venom color. Oh my God, look at this thing. Look at this bike, my goodness. It's got T-bars, a 2-in-1 exhaust, got these sick floorboards on there, got a Milwaukee 8 114. My goodness, this is a gorgeous bike. Alright, so start that up. Oh my God, it's gotta, see, this is why I have you here. Now it'll start. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, I love it. All right, let's get going on this thing. Interesting. This is my first time with T-bars. Oh yeah, this thing's got a ton of mid-range. I love it. Yeah, a ton of punch. It's so funny, with my bike, all the weight is above my hands, so I feel like all the weight's on my wrist, whereas with this bike, my hands are actually above my shoulders. My hands are actually above my shoulders. So all the weight is on my shoulders itself. The seat is very comfortable, it just cups my butt, holds me in place. It's kind of weird, the turn signals, the right and left buttons are on two different sides, but they are self-canceling. So once you set that turn signal and complete your turn, they automatically turn off. No more thought needed. This is a hydraulic clutch. Is it a hydraulic clutch? I don't know. Man, this thing is powerful though. It's punchy. Dang, dude, this thing is like downright fast. Wow, okay. I love the sound of this 2-in-1. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this sounds amazing. Big fan of this. The lean angle really ain't like too impressive. But it's, I don't know, because I'm gripping all this weight up top, it feels like I can make really quick, fine adjustments to my steering. So it tips over easy, it just doesn't tip over very far. So yeah, not many features. It's got like single disc front brake. I think it's got ABS, but man, that's just about it. Nothing on this There's no display. It doesn't give you any information. It is what it is. It sounds really good. I know these bikes, even though they weigh a little over 700 pounds, pretty sure this bike makes like 120 foot-pounds of torque, something around that area. And loves the low down RPMs. It's actually got a little RPM gauge down here, but man, with a bike like this, you know, you got your speedometer and everything, and that's just about it. I mean, this is all about the ride. This is all about the ride and looking crispy. Looking and sounding fresh. This is a very expensive bike with a limited edition paint job, so I'm very, very thankful for Cory for letting me take this bike out. I've ridden a few other Milwaukee 8s, a bunch of twin cams, and I have to admit, I'm okay with these T-bars now. I feel like wider bars give you a little bit more control over the weight. This bike feels a little heavier with these T-bars, but now that I'm at speed, I can see now that this is actually very responsive handling wise. I can see why a lot of Dyna bros like their T-bars. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So I'm going to get a quick 0 to 60 on this bike. We're at 0 miles an hour and woo! That wasn't a fair 0 to 60 because I actually hit the rev limiter in first. So this bike is definitely quick. This is like one of those bikes that you can totally light up the rear end. You know, you could do a burnout, but it's not so fast where it's gonna rip a wheelie, where it's gonna just burn out uncontrollably. This does, you know, it's got enough power to keep you happy when you're out with your buddies, but you're not going to be going to the canyons with this bike. Effortlessly. First to second brings you right up to 60. Love it. Love this bike. It's heavy and I suck at finding neutral. I'm not even going to bother finding neutral. One thing I noticed is the shifter. I mean, when I clank down on this shifter, the whole bike shudders. The throttle at least feels very smooth. You know, this is a very responsive, visceral feeling motor that gives you a ton of feedback. So it's really not the kind of smooth, effortless sort of bike that, you know, like the Kawasaki's. It's a complete different world. This bike is for people that want to feel more of a connection with the road. You don't want any of the other stuff. You just want a powerful motor that you don't have to worry about what gear you're in. You don't have to worry about anything. Just twist the throttle and go. This bike is for people that like a bike that ain't perfect. This is for people that like a bike that feels dangerous, you know, a bike that feels like you built it in your backyard. I'd be lying if I said I really didn't like these bikes. I do love these Road Kings especially. I like the aesthetic. But I think they come in at around, I don't know, 20 grand, something like that. And I always have a problem with spending so much money on a bike, especially a bike that doesn't really give you a lot of features. So, how do I look?
Have you been converted?
I don't know. I think I have seen T-Bar Jesus, and he has blessed me because I love these T-Bars. I really do. I love them. And I like the way it sounds. All right.
Don't forget to put the kickstand down.
Kickstand is down. And don't forget to give you your keys back.
Yeah, but I can even start it with the code and
Oh, really? Oh. I didn't know that was a thing.
Don't you love it?
I love it. This paint job is so nice. Alright, so sell it to me. Sell it to me. How much does it cost to buy this?
Pay for it.
Yeah.
Now it's 21. It's like the bottom number on the tag before tax and DMV was like 21.9, and now so plus tax and DMV. Now the 22 model, the price, like the bottom number is 27.
Oh wow.
And you got your destination and freight. So because gas and all the parts storage, like we're paying for that now. And the only thing that's changed between the 21 and 22 models of the Road King Special is the dipstick.
Really? You got yourself a collector's item. Well, thank you so much for letting me ride this thing. It was fantastic. Thing sounds great. I love the throttle response. It feels amazing. Well, if you like that video, if you want to see more of me, if you want to see more of Cory, give this video a like. Look her up, Road Queen Special on TikTok. And yeah, but if you want to see more of me, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. I'll catch you next time.